The first Pymetric game is the balloons game. This game asks you to make as much money as possible by pumping balloons, and it's measuring your risk tolerance and learning ability through pattern recognition. Here's how it works. You have 3 minutes to blow up 36 balloons, with the objective of maximizing your earnings. Every time you pump the balloon, you receive 5 cents. You can lose money in two ways. If you pump the balloon too much, it'll pop and you get nothing from the balloon. Alternatively, if you don't pump the balloon enough, you lose all the potential money you could have gotten. The risk tolerance aspect comes from how much you pump the balloon, especially at the beginning when you have no understanding of the rules. The learning is measured by how your strategy shifts as you understand the rules. As we can see, the game has three types of balloons, each with different popping potentials. Normally, one balloon color will pop fast, around 4 pumps, the second around 10 pumps, and the slowest around 20 pumps. Determining which balloon color will pop early, moderately, and late is vital in maximizing profit. Now, there is an additional catch. The maximum pumping potential for each type of balloon is based on probability. Statistically, this means a yellow balloon may pump after 10 pumps, but it could also pump after 8 pumps or even 12. From your strategy and willingness to pump, the game assesses your risk tolerance, segmenting individuals into one of three groups: high, moderate, or low risk tolerance. High risk tolerance individuals focus on maximizing potential profit. These people don't mind popping a few balloons, especially at the beginning, to understand the pattern and reach each balloon's full potential. Moderate risk takers are more balanced. They are willing to get close to the balloon's limit but have no interest in maximizing each one's potential. This results in fewer popped balloons compared to high risk takers, but their consistency or safe strategy shows their lack of exploration and disinterest in reassessing to find a better method. People with low risk tolerance pop the fewest balloons. They are happy with small gains and are less focused on lost pumping potential. They tend to earn the least, but also waste the least balloons. So now we're going to shift to what your gameplay says about you and how this relates to job roles. People with high risk tolerance tend to be proactive and willing to take the initiative. These people aren't afraid to leave their comfort zone and pursue opportunities and challenges, showing a desire to innovate and grow. This drive for innovation is closely linked to their creativity. Just as they explore novel approaches to determine a balloon's popping potential, they're constantly seeking new ways to tackle problems, even if it means increasing their chance of failure. The ability to bounce back is required in roles such as sales and business development. Your job is to pursue new opportunities, which naturally leads to many rejections. Also, these self inflicted setbacks serve as a measure for ambition and drive. They are willing to put in the effort to take risks and push boundaries because they are motivated to excel and achieve the best possible outcome. All of these traits collectively shape decision making abilities. High risk tolerance individuals make decisions and stand by them, regardless of ambiguity and uncertainty. Investment banking and trading is all about making tough decisions in a fast paced environment. Individuals must be comfortable making big risks quickly in a volatile, unstable market. Whilst there are many benefits to being a high risk tolerant individual, it can also indicate tendencies such as recklessness, impulsivity, and a disregard for others' values, such as the company they work for. Moving on to individuals with a moderate risk tolerance level. These balanced individuals have a wide range of job opportunities dependent on the industry, company culture, and nature of a given project. Moderate individuals can also explore innovative solutions and find creative strategies, but they are more calculated. These individuals understand their decisions can have serious consequences and are more cautious when implementing plans. Roles such as project manager, marketing and advertising, and research and development are perfect for these individuals. All these roles require navigating uncertainties and leaving comfort zones in pursuit of better. These decisions are impactful and can destroy a company or project, meaning risks must be worth the experimentation for the potential reward. Another path is consulting. Individuals need to be strategic decision makers and always assessing for opportunities. It's paradoxical, as clients want someone that'll challenge the status quo whilst considering its impact to maintain their position. The third group of people are the risk aversive individuals. These individuals have a low risk tolerance and are cautious, focusing on mitigating risk. These individuals prioritize stability and predictability and are comfortable in a standard routine. These traits tend to correlate with a detail oriented nature and an analytical mind. Whilst they may be limited in innovation and adaptability, they are perfect for positions like risk management, where you seek someone cautious with the goal of mitigating risk and following standard guidelines. Accounting and auditing, where accuracy and precision are vital. Furthermore, due to the financial sector's history, they view risk taking as someone that may compromise industry integrity. Hence, they want a risk aversive person. And the healthcare and safety industry, where the goal is to mitigate harm. As you're dealing with patient care, you must prioritize caution when handling critical situations. Understanding the risk taking style companies desire for a specific position is essential in landing your dream job. Regardless of whether you're a natural risk taker or love stability, connecting your desired job with the best strategy is the next step for success.